Are you curious about how to create multiple Telegram accounts, or maybe even wondering if there's a way to make unlimited accounts, even fake ones, without risk? In this tutorial, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to safely and successfully manage more than one Telegram account, whether you're doing it for privacy, business, or just to keep your work and personal life separate. By the end of this video, you'll understand what's officially possible, what's risky, and the smartest ways to set up multi-account access without getting banned. Let's jump straight in. First things first, Telegram is built around security. Every single account must be registered with a unique working phone number. There's just no way around this. It's a mandatory step for both registration and verification. So if you've heard about tricks to make unlimited Telegram accounts with just one SIM or using shady free numbers, let me set the record straight. Telegram has sophisticated systems in place to prevent misuse, and accounts made with disposable numbers are often banned super quickly. My advice: stick with real, functioning numbers to save yourself the headache. Now here's the official method. Telegram allows you to add up to 3 accounts within the same app, right on your mobile device. If you're a premium subscriber, that increases to 4. This is perfect for anyone who wants separate profiles for work, friends, or even managing a project community. To start, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. It works on both Android and iPhone. On Android, tap that familiar 3-line menu in the top corner. On iPhone, head right into Settings. Scroll down until you see Add Account or Add Another Account. This option makes it super easy to set up a new profile. You'll need a fresh phone number, a SIM card, eSIM, or a paid VoIP number. All work fine, as long as they can receive SMS. Enter the new phone number and wait for the verification code sent via SMS or call. This part might take a minute, especially for virtual numbers. Just be patient, and if the code doesn't arrive, double-check that your number can receive texts from international services. Once verified, you can set up a profile name and picture. This can be anything you like. Now you're done, you can switch between accounts from the menu, almost like flipping between different profiles on Instagram or WhatsApp. It's that simple, but what if you need more than the 3 or 4 accounts allowed per device, or you want to separate work, school, and personal chats further? That's when alternative methods come in handy. For extra privacy, or if you manage multiple communities, virtual phone numbers are a popular choice. These can be second SIM cards, eSIMs, or paid VoIP services like Google Voice or Burner. Paid services are much more reliable. Free online SMS numbers often get blocked, and you might find your hard work disappears overnight due to a ban. If you're on Android, look for features like Dual Messenger or App Twin. These build a cloned version of Telegram so you can run another account independently right on your phone. It's a bit like having 2 copies of the same notebook, but each one only shows the messages for its own account. For the power users or business folks who need to manage lots of accounts, think social media managers or those running multiple marketing profiles, there are advanced tools like anti-detect browsers or cloud phone services. These provide isolated environments, unique IP addresses, and even device fingerprints to avoid getting flagged by Telegram's security. Just keep in mind, these are paid and a little more complex, so definitely not necessary for casual users. You can also try Telegram's desktop app. It allows up to 3 accounts at once. Or use Web Telegram org in different browser profiles. That's a clever workaround if you want to keep things separate, like using Chrome for one account and Firefox for another. Big warning before I wrap up. Creating accounts just to spam people or for anything against Telegram's rules isn't just risky, it's guaranteed to get your accounts banned and sometimes even your device blocked entirely. Always use these tips responsibly. I hope this walkthrough gives you a clear, realistic look at your options for managing multiple Telegram accounts. If you found this helpful, please tap like, ask your questions down in the comments, and hit subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.